In this video, I'll review the Rytr pricing plan. So if you are wondering which plan is good for you, this video will help you out, all right? So first of all, for those of you who don't know what Rytr is, this is AI writer software that helps you to generate blog posts, articles, add words, or add copies in order to save you time. For the pricing, you just have to click on here, but let me click on pricing, or you can scroll down. But you can click the pricing button on top and it's gonna bring you down here. Let me show you quick. So when you click this, see, it's gonna bring you back. So strikingly powerful yet unbelievably affordable. So generate 5,000 characters per month on free plan and upgrade to premium plan for unlimited usage. I'll show you what that means and I'll come back here. So let me go in quick. So this bar chart explains the usage for the month, but with unlimited, you don't have to worry about that. But I'm showing you this because of the free plan. So when you check here, 11,498 characters. And just so you know, data as per UTC, usage means total content / characters processed and generated by Rytr. Pass the 6,500 in 1 day. So which means the free plan is not good. That's why you need this one, okay? The $29 a month. But if you opt for the yearly plan, you're gonna pay $290 and you will save $58 at the making of this video, okay? So depending on the time you'll be watching this, I know once they start growing, they will increase their prices, okay? And with the $29, you can generate unlimited characters, okay? So with this, I don't have to worry about characters anymore. You have access to 30 plus use cases, US written in 30 plus languages, access to 20 plus tones, dedicated account manager, priority email and chat support, access to premium community. So you have access to all this. So if you are thinking this is too expensive, let me show you something quick. See, compared to Jarvis AI, Jarvis is one of the best on the market, and Rytr is great, especially for beginners, but Jarvis is more advanced. I really like it, but this one gives you 20,000 words per month, which to me is not enough if you intend to use this thing more. So you have to go with the unlimited words per month, okay? And when I weigh the pros and the cons, that's why I jump to Rytr. All right, so I'll show you how to subscribe or sign up. But if you want an in-depth tutorial, I have a video on it. You can check it on my channel. I'll just put the link in the description box for you as well, all right? If you want to sign up for the first time, you click on Start. All right, so click on Start Writing. So first of all, you need to create an account because they have a free version for you to try, all right? So we'll create an account and later on upgrade it to the pro version, okay? Continue with email and type in the email address and click next. All right, so click on send verification code. Okay, so now check my email quick and type in the verification code here and click verify. Then click verified. So now you need to create password. All right, then when done, click on finish. And I will advise you not to save this on your system just in case somebody get his or her hands on your computer. It's always advisable not to save these things. So click never. So what I'm showing you is how to sign up for the first time, okay? All right, so I'm gonna close it. So start writing. This is a quick YouTube tutorial to help you, okay? I'm not so much into it, so I'll click off. So you will get another email that will welcome you, okay? But just ignore it. It's just marketing, not really a big deal. So if you are just trying it, you can start now. So I'm gonna go into my account. All right, then you come down here, subscribe to Rytr Premium. So you have up to 5,000, but like I told you, 5,000 is not enough. Yeah, so it's 29 per month. What will happen if you choose yearly? It's $290, but when you go monthly, it's $348. You're gonna save $58 if you go yearly. It's good because sometimes as the platforms start to grow, they tend to increase their prices, which I've seen happening all the time. In my case, I would say this is the best way to go. But hey, if you don't have the money to blow out right now, it's better to start monthly, then after you can upgrade your plan to yearly, okay? At the making of this video, they have only one price, but moving forward, I don't know if it might change. I'll just finish this process and we'll dive in. Thank you for the payment. Alright, so right now it has changed. The active plan is premium, which means I have unlimited. And when you see this sign here, okay, it means infinity or unlimited. Back to the writing phase, so you go back to write. So that's how you toggle between, okay. So new document, this is by default. The end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please, I'll put my link in the description box. That's my affiliate link, and please don't forget to use it. And if you have any question, just send me a message, comment below, and I'll reply. All right, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and use my affiliate link in the description box. And have a wonderful day. Bye.